Eating for comfort isn't failure, it's coping. We build trust by adding tools, not removing food. Okay, so emotional eating is communication. Okay, so that's what I want you to hear. There's nothing wrong with emotional eating. Even in a program I ran for years, the focus for different people, the emotional eating was when they were eating in a way that felt problematic for them, they were eating an amount that felt problematic, or they were eating a food that felt problematic. That's all examples of emotional eating. So I want you to hear emotional eating isn't wrong. It's a learned behavior. It's something that you've learned to cope. Okay. And we can start to trust our body by adding tools to support our body and build this self-trust that we're working on. It doesn't mean we have to remove food. Someone can be an intuitive eater and still emotionally eat and make that choice. Okay, so the invitation for day 12 in this 30-day self-trust challenge is to ask, what else might I need right now? Okay, so when that urge to overeat or eat in a way that doesn't feel comfortable with your body, when it comes up, even just taking that pause to say, okay, what else might I need right now is one great way to start to build that self-trust. And examples of what you might need, it might be rest. It might be, I am really tired. I've eaten consistently throughout the day. I'm tired. I'm just going to rest. It could be, I need comfort. And maybe we can't get that comfort from outside sources, or we don't know how to give that comfort to ourselves. So we find that comfort in food. And you're not wrong, remember? And it could be connection. It could be we're craving some connection, and that will increase that dopamine response that emotional eating often creates. More dopamine, it makes us feel calm. Maybe we just need to reach out for connection. And if today felt hard, I want you to remember that you don't have to stop eating to listen. You can still ask yourself these questions and still choose to eat the food that feels uncomfortable, like too much, or feels in some way problematic for you. Okay? Thanks for joining me in this 30 day self trust challenge. I'll see you tomorrow for day 13.